Hi, Professor. My name is Anna. I'm one of your students in the Tuesdays and Thursday class. How are you doing today? I'm well. I'm very busy. It's the beginning of the semester, and I don't teach only your class. Yesterday during lecture, our first lecture, you mentioned that if we had any questions, we could stop by your office hours. And I'm so happy I asked my boss today early in the morning if I could leave a little earlier to be here and talk to you. Thank you so much for your time in advance. Well, my office hours end in 5 minutes, so you better be quick. 5 minutes is more than enough. Thank you so much. Yesterday, when we went over the syllabus, you mentioned that we have 4 exams, and I see that one of the exams is exactly on the Thursday that I will be out of town. My parents, they were very nice. They organized a birthday trip for me, and they were not aware of my class schedule, but they had lots of good intentions. So I was wondering if I could take the exam before, or if you can have like a makeup exam afterwards, because I'm a very, very dedicated student and I don't want this affecting my final grade. Is there any way we can work it out, please? The answer for your question is written in the syllabus. If you read it, you would not need to come and meet with me personally during office hours. You can only miss an exam and have it excused and take a makeup exam if you had a valid excuse. And a trip that your parents planned is not a valid excuse, so you will receive a 0. I understand. I will check with my parents if there is any way we can cancel the trip, or I will just go ahead and drop the class. Thank you so much for your time. Very nice talking to you today.